Alphawire is a manufacturer of cable and wire products, as well as wire management products. We play in a lot of different markets, including wind generation, solar, oil and gas. We have very short lead times. We have low minimums. A lot of our customers are having to go to a lot of different manufacturers to get all the different components they need. And we really want to be everyone's solution for everything, essentially. So this is one of our latest products. It's called ThermoThin, and ThermoThin is a new hookup wire that we're offering that uses an ECA fluoropolymer insulation material. It's very similar to a Teflon, so it's great abrasion resistance. It has wonderful chemical resistance. It's also resistant to solvents, and it uses a nickel-plated conductor, which is on the inside. It's very, very small, and it's able to withstand temperatures from as low as negative 150 degrees to as high as 300 degrees Celsius. So this product has been really popular for us. It can be used in a range of different industries, in particular military and aerospace applications. Getting into a lot of industrial automation, which is really popular today, robotics, things like that. Connectivity products such as distribution boxes, which is in the orange, and cordsets, which is in the yellow and back here, are becoming really integral to the factory floor. So we decided to dive into this industry and become more of a one-stop shop, and we focus on cordsets, distribution boxes, receptacles, and field attachables. So this is our new product. This is our latest launch. These are called cable glands. These are IP67 rated. This is for strain relief. We offer these in 3 different thread types, MPT, metric, and PG, which are the 3 biggest in the market. So these are suitable, globally, worldwide.